Hey everybody, we're back on the build today. We got a lot of stuff to accomplish so that we can make the first race in February. We already got the transmission tore down. We're going to put it back together today because we got the clutches. They came in. We're soaking them. We're ready to go with that. So we're going to put that together, put everything in the car, get the top on, the brakes on, the transmission in there. We're going to hook the shifter up. We're going to do everything we can do so that we can put it on the scale and see how much it weighs. Let's get into it. Okay, first thing, we're going to stack the reverse clutch pack. We've already got it stacked here. Start out with 2 steels, which we use one as a shim, and then the top plate on top. They'll only go one way in there, so you got to line the marks up, grab it in the center, and drop it down. There it is. We're putting this transmission back exactly like it was. So we're gonna, just for the purpose of information, we're gonna do a check on the clearance of the reverse pack. You want to be between about 80 and 120 for reverse. So we got about 95 thousandths. That should work really good. We're gonna put the plate back in. Snap it down with the O-ring. Looks pretty good. Want to make sure you put the planetary bearing in. Lay it right there on that little groove. Drop the planetary ring in. Drop the planetary in. This is a BTE 168-169 ratio planetary. Sometimes these planetaries can be act stupid. But it'll go because that's its home. Now for the tail shaft. That's pretty much it for the back. Now we'll start on the valve body. All right, we're ready to put the valve body on and wrap this thing up. This can be kind of tricky sometimes. But usually it goes together pretty easily. This time, I guess not. There we go. I like to fill it with a socket. We are screwing into aluminum, so make sure I don't strip it. I use a socket to tighten. All right, all our bolts are tight there. I'm gonna tighten the other bolts with the socket. All right, now for the detent, we got a plate. Goes like so, like so. Nope, goes like this. Take this bolt out, plate on. I do that every time, I forget to do this. laid the Allen wrench down somewhere. I can't find it. %90 of the time, this happens every time. There it is. Now we should shift and stay. It was good. Trans brake spring and shaft goes up in there. Beautiful. That's it. That's it.
I moved it.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas. So, you got the back end?
Yeah.
All right, let's try to put it on dial pins.
That'll be it.
It's close. That's it. That's it. All right, right there. Right there. We got it.
It's on it.
It's on it. Thumb in bolts underneath you. Yeah, get one started over there. Go to the second hole.
Just barely started.
Mine won't start.
Push it forward a little bit.
There it goes.
There it go.
Mm-hmm.
It must have twisted then because I ain't got it.
The back end's got to come up.
That's what it is. Chris, can you pick up on that back end? Don't snatch it. Just kind of take a little weight off of it. There you go. There you go. There you go, big man.
I'm in there. All right, swimwear.
I'm good. You got a long one for the bottom. Get one of these long ones here for the bottom.
I'm not sure. Is there another short one down there?
I think this long one here is for this bottom. It started.
You got to take that washer off, I think.
That second one there, it's in there a good way.
That's okay. We got it's there.
Now we need a torque convertible bolts in it.
Yeah.
Where they at? They under you over there?
Mm-hmm.
That's where they were, wasn't they?
I don't remember seeing them.
Huh?
Did you bring them over here?
You got the torque converter bolt. Didn't you? That's right. That's right. My bad.
Damn, you can't get to that damn thing. The converter bolts look just like the damn flywheel bolts.
Got the longer ones?
Yeah, they're longer.
Yeah, I think they're on this table. Oh, that right there will cook. That piece of steel right there cook. You don't spacer this converter, do you?
Mm-mm. Maybe. I mean, it just depends on what it was built for.
Yeah.
You may have to.
Did you get the bolts or no?
No. I'll get them. Hold on.
Convertible bolts.
Yeah, you gotta have them. Convertibles. Torque convertible.
Does one of them have a nut on it?
Yeah, there's some more nuts up
Put
there.
red on there?
Yeah.
There you go.
Ouch.
Oh. Okay.
Come on, cuz. You better than that.
You don't want to put. It's been a while. It's been a while since I've seen the hole.
We finally wrestled the transmission in there. We got it all bolted up. We got the cross member in it, the flywheel on it, the converter bolted up. So now we're going to move on to the front end. We got to get the front end on there and align all the Zeus fasteners, make sure they all work. Put the hood on there and cut a hole in the center very carefully. All right, everybody, we got the front end on, we got the hood on, we got a hole cut in the hood so that the carburetor can stick through. We got the old Red Bull scoop on. Everything's pinned down, everything's locked down. We're good up here now. So we're gonna move on to the brakes and putting the wheels on and getting everything ready so we can put it on the scale, find out how much this thing weighs. Wow, finally on the ground. All right, we got the car off the scales. We were disappointed in the weight. Didn't turn out like we wanted it to be, but it is what it is. So what we're gonna do is a giveaway, a pool speed hat and a pool speed hoodie to the winner that's closest to the weight we got. We took a picture of the scale. We know what it weighs. When we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give away the hat and the hoodie. So you have to be subscribed to win. So make sure you put your guess in the comments and we're going to get this done. Stay tuned, like, subscribe. We're going to be back. See you later.